Do you ever feel hesitant to ask for help in English? Do you worry that you won't find the right words? Today, we will unlock the magic words for polite communication. This is the key to feeling confident in any situation. Hello everyone. Welcome to Perfect Spoken English Learning YouTube channel. My friend, it is good to see you again. Today, we are going to learn some very special words. These words are like magic words. They help people want to help you. We are going to learn how to ask for help in English. Sometimes, when we learn a new language, we feel lost. Maybe we don't know the way to the bus station. Maybe we don't know the price of an item. In these moments, we need help. But how do we ask? If we just say, "Help me," it can sound a bit rude. It can sound like a command. To be a great speaker, you must be a polite speaker. The first magic word is, "Excuse me." This is how you start a conversation with a stranger. You don't just start talking. You say, "Excuse me," to get their attention. It is like saying, "I am sorry to bother you." It shows that you are a kind person. Let us practice saying it slowly. Excuse me. The second magic word is, please. Always put please at the end of your question. It turns a command into a request. Instead of saying, "Tell me the time," say, "Can you tell me the time, please?" Can you hear the difference? The second one sounds much softer. It sounds much friendlier. The third magic word is thank you. When someone helps you, you must say thank you, even if they only help you a little bit. It shows that you value their time. If you want to be extra nice, you can say, "Thank you very much." Now, let us look at some real-life situations. Imagine you are in a new city. You are looking for the train station. You see a person walking by. First you say, "Excuse me." Then you ask your question. You can say, "Could you help me, please? I am looking for the train station." Notice the words, "Could you?" This is more polite than, "Can you?" "Could you?" is like a gentle request. What if you are in a shop? You want to know how much something costs. You can go to the clerk and say, "Excuse me, how much is this, please?" The clerk will tell you the price. Then you say, "Thank you for your help." It is very simple, but it makes the shopkeeper feel happy to serve you. Sometimes, you might need help in a classroom or at work. Maybe you don't understand a word. You can say to your teacher or your boss, "I am sorry, I don't understand. Could you explain that again, please?" This shows that you are trying hard to learn. It is not bad to ask for help. It is smart to ask for help. Let us practice some common phrases for asking for help. Listen and repeat them in your head. Excuse me, where is the bathroom, please? Could you help me with this bag, please? I am lost. Could you show me the way, please? What does this word mean, please? Did you notice that I use a very calm voice? When you ask for help, don't be in a hurry. If you look panicked, the other person might get nervous too. If you look calm and you speak slowly, the other person will feel calm. They will stop what they are doing to listen to you. Another good tip is to look at the person's face. Give them a small smile. A smile says, "I am a friend." People love to help friendly people. If you look at the floor, you look like you are hiding. Stand tall, look at them, and speak your magic words. What if the person says, "I don't know"? That is okay. Do not get angry. Just say, "That is okay. Thank you anyway," and walk away with a smile. You can ask someone else. English is all about trying and trying again. I want you to remember that everyone needs help sometimes. Even people who speak perfect English need help. Asking for help is how we connect with other humans. It is how we make new friends in a new country. Every time you ask a question, your English gets a little bit stronger. Practice these phrases at home. You can even practice with your boy character. Imagine he is lost and he needs to find his school. Make him say, "Excuse me, where is the school, please?" This is how you build your confidence before you talk to a real person. Thank you for spending this time with me today. You are a very polite and kind student. I am happy that you are learning these magic words. They will open many doors for you. They will help you travel the world with a smile. Keep practicing your slow and clear English. Remember, excuse me, please, and thank you. These 3 things will make you a master of conversation. I am very proud of you. I will see you in the next lesson. We will learn more ways to make your English sound professional and friendly. Have a wonderful day full of kindness. Goodbye for now.
Do you want to learn easy English? Subscribe to Perfect Spoken English for more.